Is your girl Peace still heading to Color Love? You know what it is?
But yeah, we're gonna have fun. It's nothing personal.
This is my question to you. Did you want a serious relationship, or you were just not ready to wait for you guys to get out of the house, or you just wanted to sleep it out? Which one of it?
Definitely not the last one. I admit I was a bit impatient because based on just things that were coming in, and that's why my biggest lesson in the house was patience.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you a quick question. One of the fans wants to know that how do you feel knowing that white money will apply some pressure once you're not around? What do you think about
Jackie?
It? Yeah.
Go ahead, man. You have good taste.
I know you don't want to have this conversation with you.
And then I have your kids as well. Oh, Michael, hi. Welcome.
It's one and up on Michael Day house.
Yeah, have you here, bro?
Thank you.
We just finished from Pull FM. We just did Wazubia FM. I don't even know where I'm going at. Hi, it's your boy Okra Man. Stop playing with me.
What exactly was it? Was it a pre-discussed thing with your husband that, okay, we're going to go in and maybe pick somebody and act out whatever the viewers wanted to see with, or did that just happen along the line?
Okay, first off, we had a conversation.
You and your husband?
Yes, we had a conversation. And if he said that we didn't have discussion, I can't go by his words.
I know, I get you.
How about you, Boma? What do you think?
Coming out now, I know they were like, oh wow, I shouldn't have done that.
Sorry about it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Like extremely sorry.
Felt like we vibe a lot. It's a good-looking man. What?
I don't really
Moving forward right now, I try look you and only see your ring first of all. And your husband says since you come out the house, you and I never communicate. Reason day for that one, white gap day for my communication.
Now what's on here now? We don't talk.
You and I don't talk this morning.
We don't talk this morning.
So why can't they lie yesterday on top life Instagram?
Even yesterday we don't talk.
Okay, now I'm not gonna like give you. I try to make some observation from waiting that they happen. Now say your husband they try one use this opportunity they didn't know, or because certainly for waiting they talk now different from waiting talk yesterday night.
I don't know.
So it's possible say right now, say we outside the house, you and Michael don't dey run things happen.
Now my G.
You don't turn out to Gio, now.
My babe now. I'm gonna stop this.
Later we'll go to here for the reunion, say now only one second, 2 seconds. No. Outside the house, at any point
It did seem as if he was trying to take
Shit. Things are loaded.
Hey, Tega.
Alright, so we're done for today.
We're done for today. It's a wrap.
She was fantastic.
Thank
I
you.
was alright. So on to the next location. Oh yeah, we're done, huh?
We're done.
Like done. Like last.
Peace out.
So it's time to chow down. Stop playing with me, dude.